find is a technical analysis on MJ, one of the largest components to the cannabis sector here off the Daily Unable, where we had a high-ranking official within the Department of Health and Human Services who penned a letter to the DEA administrator urging for the reclassification of marijuana as a Schedule III drug under the Controlled Substances Act, which signifies a potential significant departure from its current designation as a Schedule I substance, where a category is reserved for drugs with substantial abuse potential, such as heroin, LSD, ecstasy. And that fundamental catalyst spurred a huge rally within the cannabis sector, taking out a multi-year primary reactionary downtrend line here off the 2021, call it June reactionary highs. And that is a monumental, big monster and key inflection point that has been taken out really impulsively here, where we broke out, tapped that 200-day moving average, and we are back testing around this key range slightly below the 358 price resistance. Whereas we had a spike close down to the primary downtrend line here, which was successfully bid by bull traders and or long traders. Take it as you will. This is a confirmed, validated breakout, in my opinion, where the risk-reward ratio lies heavily to the long side. Even if you get the additional retest of the 330 price support, offering an additional reactionary, offering an objective long trade entry, back above to the 358 price support for 7.9% in gains, re-challenging the 200-day moving average for 12.5% in gains, up to the 402 target for 19.5% in gains. And if we take that level out, down to the additional 457 price resistance for 37% in gains, and then additionally my final target there at 484 price support, price resistance for 44% in gains. Long traders, bull traders, if we go on to revisit this key inflection point, if we snap right through that level, the 308 price support needs to be defended really at all costs to avoid a momentum-fueled overshoot where you have a dual line of price support with the 50-day and 50 exponential moving average hovering it down below. But take it as you will. This is as great as a breakout as you can possibly get here, where short sellers, bear traders will aggressively cover their position if and when a supercharged rally ensues, and a fear of covering their position and expanding losses comes under threat. We had additionally put in this minor primary reactionary downtrend line off the early February reactionary highs there. We had these nice clean building of bullish and positive divergences that had continued to construct really amongst all technical momentum indicators there. Price percent oscillator, bullish crossover, and now testing the zero line thresholds as of now. So I believe a reclaim of the 358 price resistance on a re-challenging of the 200-day moving average will again spur complete health back into these technical momentum indicators on a potential supercharged rally to the upside, and then ultimately trying to take out that 484 price support, and then above that would not only confirm a golden cross setup between the moving averages, but again would supercharge the rally, in my opinion, where short sellers would panic cover their positions if and when that time horizon comes to fruition. As far as the oscillator histogram here, we haven't seen a spike of that nature since that 204. The 204 price resistance up above, and each time it has been breached, it has come with a wave of gains to the upside there for 34% in gains. Additionally, we hit it again here, right around that key inflection point, which was good for close to 20% in gains. Take you out to another spike here, which was tapped. And again, that was good for 79% in gains. Another additional time. You get the picture. Has been a historical technical momentum indicator, has had historical data to prove these near-term patterns and or trend changes that have occurred there in the oscillator histogram. That was good for 162% in gains. We'll see if this time is right. But again, health has been being poured back into these indicators and a complete bullish trend change and stance.